Visit the HP Student Store. HP often has a dedicated section on its website known as the HP Student Store, where students can access special discounts and promotions. Join the HP Education Store program, where you can find everyday discounts with up to 40% on our latest technology. Membership benefits. As a member, you will gain access to special offers and exclusive discounts on our highly awarded HP products, supplies, and services. No student ID required to join. Free shipping and easy returns. HP Tech recommendations for students. Pavilion Series. Meet your academic partner who understands multitasking just as you do. With optimal speed, design, and performance, Pavilion is the student favorite. HP Envy X360. Versatility meets performance. With its 2-in-1 design, switch between class notes and creative doodles, presentations, and movies, all with a flip. HP Spectre X360. Slim, powerful, and undeniably elegant. Designed for students who desire the best in both performance and aesthetics. HP Omen Series. For the gaming aficionados. When it's time to take a break from studies, dive into another world with unbeatable graphics and performance. Product recommendations for teachers. HP EliteBook Series. For educators. Reliability is paramount. With the EliteBook, you get robust performance, ensuring your lessons go off without a hitch. HP LaserJet Printers. From printing lesson plans to student assignments, teachers need a printer that can keep up. The HP LaserJet, with its discounts for teachers, offers efficiency at a fraction of the cost. Educational tools beyond laptops. Student discounts on accessories. Your laptop might be the star, but accessories complete the experience. From laptop stands to state-of-the-art headphones, students can enjoy exclusive discounts on an array of gadgets.